What's up, everyone? Hope you guys are having a great day. Bringing you guys a day in the life vlog. Got an amazing response on the last kind of vlog video where I was showing you guys the trade breakdown, but I was also showing you guys the dream setup. If you can see in here, we got that going on. But today's been a good day. This morning I caught a beautiful trade on USD CHF. Good old Swissy cheese. I'll pop that up right here. Absolute beautiful trade. Sent it out in the Discord all before, so it was mapped out and just executed it perfectly. Super happy with that. So the remainder of my day today, I'm going to just be doing a little bit of back testing. I'll show you guys a breakdown of the trade that I was just talking about. I'm going to get my hair cut. I'll show you guys after, but your boy's hair is an absolute mess. You can see the views are immaculate right now. And yeah, it's just a great day. Beautiful start to the week, and I'm super pumped. So I'll bring you guys with me on this video. I think I'm gonna go get some cardio in as well in a little bit. So it'll be kind of like a little day in the life video. Chill day though. I'm not going out and doing anything crazy, but stick to the end of the video, and if you enjoy it, please drop a like, subscribe, and comment. We're about to hit 40K. Let's freaking go. Just got in from some nice cardio, just literally 20 minutes of light walking on the treadmill. Today was supposed to be an off day for me from the gym. I go 3 on and then 1 off, and then that 1 off I try to get a little bit of walking in. It's a little bit chilly outside, so I decided to do the cardio inside on the treadmill. I'm just about to shower up. Hopefully you guys can still see me with this lighting. Just gonna shower up now, get all ready, and then maybe do a little bit of back testing, maybe show you guys that trading video now, and then we're gonna head over to the mall to get the haircut. So I'll see you in a sec. I'm literally too tall for the frame, but you guys can get the gist of this. So Factor, not sponsored or anything, but very good. Chicken, we got the veggies, we got all that good stuff. So I just heat one of these bad boys up. We got others obviously, and yeah, I know you couldn't see me in the frame because your boy is just an absolute giant, but your boy's got to eat. I'm gonna heat that up, eat this quick, and then get dressed. And I got to show you guys something because I don't think I've shown you yet in much detail. So give me one moment and I'll show you something special to me that is brand new, and I'm so pumped to have it. Say hello to the new baby. I know you guys have been talking about it in the comment section. Your boy got a date just 2023, brand new. So happy with this. It's been a goal of mine for so long, literally years ago, guys. Years ago when I was living in my first apartment with the cockroaches and everything. Literally, I used to write in a journal. I used to write in a journal that I wanted to have a luxury apartment. I used to write in my journal that I wanted to have a Mercedes-Benz. I also used to write in my journal that I would be leaving my job at the bank, and I also would be getting a Rolex. And I'm not kidding. This was 3 years ago, maybe. Broke as can be, not a clue how I was gonna do it. I was trading at the time, and my goal is to become funded as well, which I am. And it's just crazy. I'm gonna pop that note up right here just so you guys believe me. It's unbelievable what you can do when you manifest, but you also put the work behind it. Just a kid, just a regular guy that believed in a better future for myself. And now I got one of these. I got the luxury apartment, I got the view, I got the girl of my dreams, I got everything that I need in this world. I got amazing friends, great family, and it's just, I'm just super blessed, super blessed. God is great. Seriously, grateful for every single thing in my life. I just had to touch on that because for a lot of you who have been watching me along this journey, you've seen me start at the very bottom. Now I'm at a spot where I'm so proud and so happy, and I'm just gonna continue to reach new levels, continue to get better, 1% better every single day in every single thing that I do. Trading, business, becoming a better boyfriend, becoming a better friend, better entrepreneur, better shape. Everything I wanna do, I just wanna continue to get better. And the purpose of this channel is to not only inspire you all and help you grow, but also as a diary for myself when I look back. And it's just unbelievable that by the time you guys are seeing this video, I'm probably already at 40,000 subscribers, which is crazy because I was just watching a video on my channel not too long ago. It's me 2 years ago celebrating 400 subscribers. And you guys can tell in my voice, I was so happy. That 400 of you that subscribed meant the world to me. And then now to fast forward 2 years, just 2 years, and we are at 40,000 subscribers is just unbelievable. And you 400 meant the world to me then, and you 40,000 mean the world to me now. Thank you for sticking by me. I just had to throw this in there. Let's get on with the rest of the video. Also, I just realized watching that clip back, your boy's face looks all mangled. Sorry, I was ripping a hot shower and your boy's red like a tomato. All right, time to finally cut this bad boy. You know what time it is. Let's go, baby. All right, guys, we are en route to get my haircut. Let's go. This is probably dangerous, vlogging and driving at the same time, but we're gonna give it a shot here for as long as we potentially can. So guys, this is my second time now going to this barber. Went to my old one. Obviously, you guys know I moved. I was at that old place for like 5 years straight, I believe. To go from somewhere that you've been for 5 years to then, you know, a new barber, there's trust issues. There's trust issues, you know? So I'll let you guys know what he does. We'll see the magic that he works, and I'll be updating you guys with a new haircut. Either I like it, either I don't. Let's find out. All right, your boy is looking fresh. Shout out Mike. I like what you did, bro. I like what you did. Sorry, I'm looking at the camera now. Beautiful, beautiful haircut, I think. Come on, guys, drop a like for that haircut. Absolute brutal day today, boys. Just gonna jump on the charts now and do a little breakdown of the trade I was talking about earlier. So I will see you guys on the other side. Let's take in, boys. It's friggin' 4 o'clock, 4:30, and it's already getting dark out. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, probably not, but it's literally 4:40 and it's already getting dark. It'll be dark probably in the next 15 minutes. So dust, man. I hate winter time. I like fall, but the transition into winter, I absolutely hate. Let me know if you guys are the same way. Drop a like in this video if you hate winter and you're Canadian. Let's run it up, let's run it up. Can we just take a moment to appreciate the pullout game on this trade? Absolutely beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Let me just turn the sessions on here. For anyone who asked what session indicator I use, that's what I use. But you can see we came down tapping this area very, very nicely. We came all the way back up. Damn, let's go, let's go. So anyway, let's just take a look at the price action and I'll show you guys why I took this trade. You can see we obviously have this buy side liquidity pool right here from this New York session a couple days ago. We also had this nice imbalance in price. Now, I did post in the Discord group. I'll pop that up right now. What I was looking at, I wanted to see this exact thing play out, and it did. It didn't go as deep as I wanted it to. Ultimately, I thought we were going to come down and maybe take this low out, but it didn't happen. But anyway, let's jump down to lower time frames because that's where most of this trade occurred. So you can see we had the liquidity pool over here, and then we also had London high over here. Now, you can see we started to range. Very, very ugly price action right now. All we are doing when this is happening is building liquidity on both sides. Once we swept this high, that's when I jumped down to the lower time frame, looking to take the market back into these levels over here due to all of this price action over here, right? You can see it's all balanced. There's no imbalances or anything. So to me, once we took the top of this range, we were going to be looking down into London low area, potentially even lower than London low. So this entry was actually on the M1 time frame. So let's just jump down even lower. You can see right here, we had the additional sweep of the highs, right? So we swept this buy side liquidity. We ended up breaking below this demand zone right here. Now, this demand zone, we broke below it. We also created a nice fair value gap right here. So this fair value gap is where I ended up entering. I think my entry was 120, I think it tagged me in at. If I'm not wrong, right over here. Maybe I got a better fill. But I market executed up within this area here. I'll have to double check. I'll pop up where I entered right here with the trade. But let's just say I entered on this imbalance because I did, and then my stop loss was just above these highs somewhere. I think 183 potentially, just covering the high in case the price came back up to take. Remember what I was talking about in my previous breakdown video. When I'm using the M1 time frame, I still have my stop a little bit wider just to prevent any sweeps or anything like that. And then the target was down here, so I ended up covering this trade. I ended up closing this trade right here as this wick happened. So it was just absolutely beautiful. Very, very happy with it. You can see we took this high one more time, adding more confluence that we were going to head for the opposing direction. And at that exact same time, I'm just going to show you guys another confluence here. On DXY, we had just taken out this high. So at the time of my entry, this had just happened on DXY. Very, very corrective price action as well. So I was anticipating a run into this low. You can see once we took this low, we ran back up for this high. Just classic example of liquidity. If you guys are interested in how I trade, don't forget to click the mentorship link in the description. If not, continue to watch the free content. It's completely up to you, but that was the trade breakdown. So now it's about 5 o'clock. What I do around this time of day is make a case study for the mentorship, for the group, going over price action, going over the trades that happened, any misses that we had, any losses, just breaking down price action so we learn each and every day, and it also gives us a heads up for what to expect tomorrow. So I'm going to bring you guys along for a little sneak peek of that, And then after that, that's pretty much the rest of my day. I'm just gonna be waiting until Julia gets home. Let's jump into the little case study snippet here. All right, everyone, hope you guys are having a beautiful day. Just going to be breaking down the price action from today, breaking down the trade that I took up into this region or a move lower. You can see on the 5-minute time frame, it presented a beautiful long back up into this internal liquidity over here. Just set a candle to set the vibes while I just watch some YouTube, throw in a podcast, and wait for Jules to get back. So Jules is at work. I'm done now. I'm going to just hang out for the rest of the night, wait till she gets home, and then fire up some food. Hope you guys enjoyed this little chill day in the life. This is a real day in the life. This is what I do on a day-to-day basis, except obviously get my haircut on a day-to-day basis. But hope you guys enjoyed. If you stayed to the end, please drop a like, comment, subscribe. It means the world. Like I said earlier in the rant, 40,000 subscribers, that's crazy. That's a big deal. That's more than the town that I grew up in, which is crazy. So you mean the world to me. I appreciate you all every single day. And what do I say at the end of every single video? Let's be 1% better every single day. I appreciate you all, and I'll see you in the next video.